fa so abetu anamo niam a wodi ebeboa obi a owuze ni tipai na apɛ na wakɔ akɔtɔ eduro bi na ɔnom yenye ne saa ebi okra bi eni nye eduro ɛwɔ so ɔgye wa home ɛbrɛ na aba ɛdi no no ufolo a ya na doctor niam bebree ɛnka ne no ba no nkono na doctor pagya ne mu no du ne sese aba ɛbɛkɔ donko na no mienu no wabɔ mɔde etimi apagya ne mu nti no the final lap no nyambo ɔkyena ye transe 9 am to 12 pm no na healing point no so no ɛno so etimi ato aso area ma 1 pm to 2 ɛti no yɛ nhyehyɛ a Sompa FM Sompa TV Rama yɛde ewram na abo hanane ma akɔyie kama pa etimi edi amana ntotua no so no etimi adane nyambo ɔkyena ɛna yɛbɔ mɔde na me mind no de di kan kra no etimi atodwa ti kyena masse betenase na masse beba betenase na masse tenase a ɛho nkomo obedi ne ne ma ɔde be wuram ne nyaade keto akra unze masse de edwuma ne de onimpa ɛna ɔtenase so se yansɛm no ɔbɛboa kyekwu mu amoate ase ɔne mpemfo okuku dampa ɛna ɔkyena ɔmo hyɛ ase ɔme manti na me manti no ho nkomo ne nie yɛbɛbɔ mɔde ne awuram mo Ghana yɛm politics no ke yɛbɛfa so yɛbɛboa na Ghana man ne etimi etumpɔn ɛno echi no som na yɛwuram ne de ba bɛfrɛ politics no ɛne ke yɛbɛfa so aboa na ne ma akɔyie pa etimi ɛde ama na ntotoe no ɛnso akɔyie so no etimi ɛde ama ɔmo no ntie no ne yɛde awuram a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛboa na bibia akɔyie kama pɛrɛ amantime paatɔ nyambo ɔkyena na ɛhyɛ ase na memende bia ɛbɛsan to aso adwumre no nsia abɔ ɛde apai mu no edi ramu no nkono ena dwumadi ne bekɔ ntime man ntime pa cho person oba na aba beso ase anu afa namba no 0249 942842 0249 942842 ni aboa na hyehyɛ na koyie pe timi ara mana tetem so memfa we ramu e fama no pe ya na ma hu se ye local black stars no the black galaxies omobu market ma omokwa ramu Abuja na game na timi akoso team fo nyina omyehwe kakra na yehwe sere ho sensem na sie tie ne me ram tino join our boys ni nie ena no mabo mo kama pa omokwa ram na aboa na bibibia akoyie pe timi area ma man Ghana ntino yere mpabo techezo omonko enkonkobo edwuma na emoana hyehye ne da ye kama pa so no entimi enfamenti sa perepe na honkomo no esieti a ne ye di ramu so no etimi edi amane emrafie na ye number World Cup ni nti ama Ghana ye players no born ye transfer window ni ma ne dodo na so asesa teams a bibibia akoyie pe ma ntino a ye tu mu kranana no se ne te Abdul Baba Rahman Chelsea omu player na ne Chelsea ase Remo ready na okona wakwa kobo edwuma etimi edi ama omonti momma me Baba Rahman na yanku yanim tentem na emwa na adwumadi ne nye krabere na bibibia entimi endeda di ntino okwa Baba Rahman eni we Roma obo edwuma edi ama ready na aboa na ne makoyi pe etimi edi ama no first Portugal honana Abdul Mumin ono se a part of Black Stars yenkan squad no na cheso kan bi na Abdul Mumin no ye edwuma edi ma Victor Gama Shibobo kono nei we fi wa baba be Roma be edwuma edi ama Rayo Vallecano eti ono se Ghanaian player ni obo na ne ma dadin pa etimi edi ama no transfer we yamu ene unzoro oni chemo Kremenfo o maso ya na Ghana fo ni yetu na baako ye fene Abdul Salih Samid obeke ya Black Stars ye to nsa frɛ ne senka afcon no mra ne enko no nya pra enti wan join ne na Salis no obo edwuma de ma Kremenfo boboko no ene we fi o akwa yamo Lond na chese len no akwa bo edwuma aboama ne makoye pera ma ntimo we na mama me Abdul Salih Salih Samid na ye hu sero no so no esi atie ne ndidi won koma na mboa na ne man de da ye pretimi emfa momo ofi ono so a ye wo Benjamin Tete nso no na obo edwuma de ma ye ni Malayaspor oro ani chemu e wo Turkey mpatemu a ene ono so awramo Hall City a oba no waba be edwuma na ne ma da ye pa ere ama no Daniel Kofiche so no obo edwuma de ma St Paul Boboko no do ani echemu German Bondos Liga 2 afimo o St Paul aba be rabe edwuma etimi ama Freiburg na aboa na ne ma da de ama ne ye Edmonado Black Stars ye midfielders ni bi no na ejuma na Edmonado ye no na no edempa ne no obo ejuma na FC Sheriff ni ono nso efi aba be Remo Resta Belgrade oba na ono Usman Bukaimo and afi Ibrahim Mustafa Monso no aba be ejuma Emmanuel Lomote na Lomote ye ejuma de ma me bobo ko na me so ne de ye friend na chekakra na Lomote efi model 2 na baba be Remo enso ewo amamo FF na chese mamo obana wa baba ye ejuma ewo so de mpatam na ne ma de ye so etimi era ma no Felix Afenejan de etensia ni mu ano dan ho kakra na ye ejuma de ma Shoma after Shoma no hu se kono mu ayeden wo se no sankra ne mam ti ono so no e ba ya this summer no wa join Cremonese Boboko na bibia ekuyere ma Gideon Mensah last season na Gideon Mensah ebo ejuma de ma Bodo na Gideon ni Bodo pemso amfa ena ne omo so no eyi fi mu ntutu na nko yi amfa momo edi ne Guinea so na fi bodo ababa be ramo oze hona ne ono so no to aso aboa amane ma koye Pyramid Black Stars of Ghana ye left back no na board ye boy woni bopa di no ye de erama ye de ema Jojo Wallacott enso ye Ghana sesi aye post no ne dem no so no obo edwuma de ma so renta fio ababa be ramo Charlton Athletic obana wababa edwuma mane ma kwe na ye Osman Boukari no obo edwuma de ma Nantes bobuku no uram or the French Ligue 1 and also if you ababa be ramo Resta Belgrade niama ekoye pa etimi ede emano and a Richmond Boachi Adom enso ramo Lamia no so na do ani chemo e Israel hona no ye edwuma di ne kwan fresh so no afio no so no change team ane okọ akọ ranu abu edwuma mane ma da ye pa etimi era mo Tariq Fosu bibini zebroni na obroni no na obroni ameze Black Stars obroni be na ma du ba bi e frɛ na ozo munya ntobo asema because Brentford Carabao Cup kra no nya bi mo di ono atrans ya fi no e no unzo tran we mo di ono afi ho aba be rama oba be edwuma ma Stoke City ntino Tariq Fosu no no efi wa kama soa as a player ne no club bridge for the Cologne Emma no kokora mu e o Dutch a division elimination no ya say aton sa frɛ na waba ababe wo club bridge ni ma oba be edwuma na boma ne ma da ye pa etimiaramento no Royal Uzampa Ghana ya mrantia no so no summer transfer window ni bia no omo ye moves awdo na World Cup no omo ese bibia be de ye kama so no e dia mom no omo ye edwuma boa amane ma da ye pe timiara mom na one interesting thing is bibia de Migi
Kwesi Apia
na why be
Kwesi Apia ko coach
na why be
Kwesi Apia na me
na me si why be
Kwesi Apia de ni hia me
Kwesi Apia de ni hia
yeah
Kwesi Apia de be tom say
oh striker
Player utakana sema Ambrosio so no so movie
yeah Stefan Ambrosius
so utakana
oh
casual
na
Kwesi Apia ko
you na da kwa ye there the picture you na da
baby Lisa Bruni I why you be that
Kwesi Apia
why you be that Colchester
Stefan Ambrosius also about zero Hamburg and if you about cash
loan
or Babel Ghana is center back and then they call World Cup Stefan Ambrosius
yes
akwaro obobo ewo
ana Hamburg loan wako casual
ideas brabo they do be awala ka wasem you ba bia
no the way I can so obobo
ehu apostle last time he akwaro
but the Hamburg for no nim say ehu
o say last time money me din komo bi
yeah
the womnie o football
ehun say bibiri no kre and obi aniti
sa
we dey etino and am fa yi
na kan e dey as I back up to Vinicius Junior
yeah no kre then me no ya doing
but and then on at least o jam na cause them dedicated time na kan
but we muso ya there I think France Abu New Zealand are doing very well France Abu so called second brooch is a very good move and once again for New Zealand so right to dream New Zealand is a very good path that Ghana players no better me afar and so far Moshe ne could do some exhibit so far it shows that almost jumapa boy player platform better me I develop here players once they right to dream we don't have any in Ghana tinyami bwana nyam yenu mi ensambia you can imagine Ghana if under 70 could be 200 players ISM so it's good. So Benya Ghanaian players moving because playing time is very important. Open develop here. This one a lot and enough playing time. Obey mistake. Now coach is correct. Unya opportunity to play a lot of games. We improve, and so you become a better player. Value appreciated. So playing time there. Aside World Cup year, Ankasa obey here playing time. Abema who coach assess performance. No, too much is obono. Playing time who here for one Kasa player no value appreciation. Because when you been born out the bench, I value the confirm team. When you be boy, and a scout, an agent, heavy boy baby, and I bet sure no I recommend you. So I'm your player boy or the need to so na a bona cosu. So they say, so playing time is good. I'm happy that unfortunately just say players, movie to big teams. But we don't have such players now. I think that time we are continually developing our time for us to get that done. So at least Kakra away they are moving. Richmond Boachi Adam there it's not easy. But your movies are also injuries. About performance there. But sometimes the injuries takes a long toll on him. It's what you Adam, brilliant player. On that Bob Blackstar, you know, I mean, 2013, maybe on any Babaraman, because they were part of the under 20 team called Turkey, and but then Denmark or Sudan, the World Cup qualified for 2014. So there's here. So for such a wonderful player and but like I keep saying, we are someone some na Dawson. Babaraman so and also the same thing. Chelsea loan. Now Reading consecutive loans already because last season about Reading. But at least it's good. The fact a key member of the national team.
Yeah, Castle Pain.
It's an academy team.
Our Castle was that honor Abdomanaf Nurudin, your goalkeeper, Peter Check.
And Ghana, I am when you care for a ding and media a key part of that. A ding to two dinkeke. So to Peter Check.
No, you go down. A channel your Shannon and more friends are. A channel they are Chibishano.
Na channel Peter Check no bachomiba. Se kai cha Peter Check e asem ne two no. A cha Robert Mensah na sheche obia a channel or shed da. And to move to the anamati aseyi. Na obia asem two no yeah, they no protecting from injury subsequent one na mo mudia to Peter Check. A check there. No be any maybe I say nipa baako pe. A chair Robert Mensah. On also the kind newspaper the Dago. Now, so Baba Rahman or integral part of the Black Star team never call World Cup. No? I can tell you that for a fact that he will be part of the team. And so you need a lot of playing time and of course it's regular. And so I saw twice to send a bear, make it easy for the call up. And he have experience in the national team. Very, very good player. Yeah, Gideon Mensah. So they move because the two of them are competing for that particular book. Gideon Mensah. So the move is very laudable for him. Very good. And Gideon Mensah, also was in that bank. Probably say, hey, or a versatile, intelligent player, a very intelligent player.
Oh, Gideon Mensah.
Yeah, very intelligent player. Very calm, cool, very intelligent player. Very intelligent player. So good for your players, you know, those who have moved to any club at all, just because they need time to, and then work up to, we need to assess them. So we share the few months away in the show more the Bobby Kagana DB, so it's good for us. Just that, unfortunately, any big moves. But we'll get there. So far as you're developing the Emre, we'll start having the ACNs move. Yes, Ton Leon, £24 million to Chelsea, the most expensive on African continent at that time. Yeah, we'll get there. The fact that we'll continue to develop with time, it will happen. There's the Uncle Far Bastia Bressa. Yes, it will come. We'll get there.
About so Mate, but I know pay out to football friendly match by Comunal Squad Deportivo. Omo bon me kamiensa omo entimiante Junior Kaba Samuel Nkum and Isaac Mensah Kaba so em zo buy no debia oposo we o mesa boba common ebony
that's another good youth side. Yeah. But that's good for player who free Cameroon about a new team like House of Folk and they'll both friendly. Yes, I don't know the Becca so Nigerian friendly, but they start from friendly. How I'll fit into the team, how are only two players know having a good coherence and understanding in your play, and how the way coach no person born baby person ball for, and at least one ball friendly match back one ball me no na ni na share go very encouraging. And ma unya entiasie any as trapa, you feel comfortable, you feel at home with the team, and it's a good thing for Accra as a folk because then they have a lot of options. For them now. What Daniel Freer is doing is also, and also as such coach, you know, something to bring headache to Coach Boydu reason. Oh, the way I know what more airborne or position at the play or look up like that's not how he's used as a fool. Yeah. And he's making a lot of strides, only a lot of goals there. And he, as a coach, it gives you headache. Whether I saw Twiki adjusting him or there, because that will give you more. This Neobono was even a Confederation Cup, that's a CHAN tournament. So they say, and in 2 games, Benin, look at first leg or second leg, and then your friend is saying, the game against Nigeria, how consistent it has become. And 2 years, we have some more headache.
And all your selection now.
Yes, more heady because you have to then play him in Africa where he will then get into pocket or space with his intelligence and movement and then the instinctiveness to be able to be getting the goals for you.
Awamia?
Yes,
Sorry, you players, you know.
Majid Wise scored and the process from Augusta.
Abdul Majid Wise. And I'm from Augusta.
Dennis Mepri in the free crack.
Hey, Charmami.
Nepri, the chap.
Me want that show.
Me
want that show, Papa. I thought him say there is Mempuri has been on radio for over 2 decades.
Wow.
Yes, I'm saying it's on record today. It's like a brother and son. Yes, for over 2 decades. But don't say or start at a tender age until Dennis Mempuri, so experienced, a very humble, hardworking young man. Yeah.
Awamia?
Yes, Abu.
Abdul Majid Wise. Anatosis from Augusta.
On the
World Cup.
On the World Cup, and Quanin Temwa.
Oh, Dabi. Anatosis in your team, Kitwa, you share.
Abu. Sometimes I am real when I answer.
Club are not Champions League.
Me say,
Anatosis from Augusta.
Me say, immune real when I answer. The template for the national team do all of these things.
Won't make it.
Yes, of course.
Because of his football.
No.
Or come to crack.
Debbie Obeka criticize players be a select omo. Edi omo call a tournament because they did not deserve so more na than ya select omo edi omo call no France. Other crime clan or Strasbourg. Or no body from then no. Check it, collapse.
Bad. Kablo Usuzo so Kobaya obey that particular interview no. But Abu, yes, he has no on the performance card uncle. But Abu, quickly on this.
Qualifier, no she goes.
For Kablo Usu.
I Champions League.
Yeah.
No bogus marker back.
But the issue is how consistent is he going to even be? So a position now.
That is it. Qualifier. And a chassis are no more boss qualify for Champions League. And a yet is Usman
because there are positions in the Black Stars team say or show the performance of some of the players in the Europe. Abu Dhabi, yeah, the way tour, near the way tour, near Casa for Motun and Yenia. One Abeshe. On say players are make sure Mudin for the World Cup this year. Afinaja an improvement because he be here no. Looking at Inaki Williams' situation now, Ebobano. Plus anymore, he will be very sharp. Then Abdul Salis. When you say Abdul Salis, Manchester United scouting at a point in time.
Yeah.
Detailed scouting. Some comedy 2 years and Konan Kababe solve a defensive midfield problem for them at a point in time. Now from Clermont-Foot to Lens, you heard the performance of it Madani Diamomo, then we'll look at how it's going to go. Then you have share Abdul Mumin, because on a Yuquana, so Mohamed Salisu to Rayo Vallecano. This season can be very big for him, but Abu Dhabi, Afinajan statistics be Shadie. The boy has a lot to prove. And I support the move to Cremonense. Because her numbers in the Kuta Afinajan say now.
Numbers bang.
But Pacho move to screen this on why? Move to screen this on my.
And I will say you could numbers. None paying the crabbing.
Move to screen this on my.
So the numbers, but they are numbers because they know numbers.
National team now,
Atumelo.
Passing number.
Your players
380 passes per 90%.
Away.
And no more man, I also have Naja May. And you see, because Afnaja May. It how you. Oh, my mean to say, and Sako Shawachi. Nemu.
So what a man who
do man how we are. I come here and say the numbers ever. But yes, we see. Cremonese no Michael Amay was a coach in the crowd. Them crane age more. You don't know, so you don't know. And I all know that me a dinner my ekese. As a moja wan come dinner. When you use platform. Odinese for no mo koya no mo boy.
Dabi.
Koja Samwa, Sulemuntari, John Mensa. Omo koya no boy ana.
Dabi.
And it's when your platform no.
For criminals, say yes. The statistics I'm trying to talk about is based on the fact that you can improve upon it.
Numbers
Yes, of course. Of course. And they say, and we are working with Abu say we are working with coaches, sir. We are working with coaches, sir. We are working with coaches, sir. Apostle, we are working with coaches, sir. All things being equal, they take everything into discussion before they pick up a player. They are detailed, especially we have coaches who coach with top leagues, not necessarily head coaches, but check here, Borussia Dortmund. This is it.
Break it down.
This is it.
Touching it down, mommy.
This is it. What's with driver?
Go
on to the
Yes, Afina Jan. In the last 365 days, Abu Dhabi, the shot creation actions in a game. Now, the shot creation actions ni na jina say obo gamer. Kwa ofaso etimi a shooty at a point in time etimi create a chance for himself or even nipa on the AC account anymore. Now Abu Dhabi, the percentile no ejina 85% over 100, which means he averages a shot creation or a shot creating action 3.23 per every single 90 minutes. Abu Dhabi a plus and I say negative a plus. The shot creating actions. See a book game one. Space about down so or boss shot and go or tie shot no or tiny giddy no tire. Percentile near 85%.
Fantastic.
And now or average 3.23 per every single 90 minutes of ball.
Strike and or shot 3 per 90 minutes.
Yes, Sana Meka. Then nearby another one. Your book game now and yes,
90 minutes now. Afnajan never anymore.
Afnajan never
shot or 3.
Or 3 per 90 minutes. The shot or Anka say to a new 3. By shot or the creative chance. Or no the creative chance. Sheniye and one is umbro.
Shot creation, creating action, yes, sir. Make it a ball, my train, my boss, obey to me about shot.
Yeah.
And I remember about shot.
Bobby, Abetom.
Enti say, afanaja na bobo na. Otimi ende maybe a man teammate, etimi boss shot.
A boss shot, yes.
And our tie shot.
Yes.
90 minutes via 3.
Sano yes,
90 minutes via
3. Ono ankasa na striker. And no man in call for no etimi ball 3 times.
3 times.
Ma pass no.
And on one casado shot to TB Bono.
Enti afanaja shot. Esa boss shot. Thank you very much.
Yes. Now, I'm say game lanka say boy. Yes. Game lanka say boy and you say on fanu hunjim. In terms of passes, no, ana nhyɛ da ni suru bebree but passes na ɔbɔ no ana yɛ accurate ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔtae bɔ passes ɛno ɔbɔ pass make sure sɛ kosi nipa so it will check in the passes completed at 76.2% per every single 90 minutes ne accuracy Bishop but baby who hear me say we are playing with a team we will love to press we will love to attack and that's why I say we are striker no and your shot creating action in kwane we are but when we want to defend from the front yɛn hwɛ adeɛ hwɛ ne pressures ne hwɛ ne tackles ne hwɛ ne interception ne pressures pressures ne sɛ meba
o ba hin o kwan ne na atue o so so ba sina me ni nipa ne ka sɛ me to da bia o se an na o ye so
defending from the front ne say opponent enya ball no person mo pass free akiri ba
enti che sɛ
kwan be fa so
Ghana ni Nigeria bɔ
na Nigeria
4-5
no person mo pass episode eba ni mu a omo na be di kan akwakọ jina omo so
afena no compress
yes
masa
it is that is what's actually open na na pressures na wa say no and osha hwenidi the number of times or press per 90 minutes the number of times or press per 90 minutes pressures no 29.91 29.91 times they say 30 times you rank here and I say you rounding it up at 30 times and no press it opponents defenders so mo pass here feature or dribika be ko mo so e person mo ko jibo ni free mo nsem
em se nchiremu
okotake no ajibo na free mo nsem na and don't ko success rate ni gina 99
adwuma oye ni yipa ne bo a ye ko Nigeria ọma unya Leon Balogun mu no omo bre pa we dey the main contest no because ni yare enye ye fu yare
na
so that na jam ball now you 4 and 5 ọma no
Debbie obebre even the baba game was one evidence pa
na o dey so na me wo mi me fam
ana won say obi won mo a obetimi apresse di wachi atatawa but na e bia wakoye headless chicken I say otako kwa otumika kwa ba ne de ne ntesa ba checking it and ma otako ne tackles no hu say wo soro It's at least
we tackles one and has a number of tackles.
Number of tackles are
on
time yeah tackle baby.
Clearly the boys power pressing, coordinated pressing, hybrid gangan pressing.
Yes.
Manager.
That was true. Now the success rate I actually 80%.
Okotake ojibo no
80%. There's 80% chances so betimi ajibo on every same volume no.
Me ba o nyabotre.
Abi you observe the already the am is afina no. Go share na yen share that wuni
But all round
he lacks opportunity. That's the first thing. Sorry the goals no share Roma Hona. Echesa afina no right from number 8 Elkono. He's a mobile forward. Even without supply obetimi mobile forward saying or a strike or dash massa or dash
dashing
man. So and o crab on so or the piano ball.
They are crying.
Jenaka.
Yes.
So ya Franjan. Now ni ball ne ball. And nunti na ma no pay me kontintia me ni abria. Akomia ko fa na sema ba je me.
On baby apepa no.
Akomia me ka kire wo pain. Look, Afranjan cannot go and fail in Cremonese.
Of course.
So Felia wa failing the career now.
Of course. On baby out type no. Share progressive passes. Baby out pen. One pen no.
Massa.
So of football, na so ball pass on passing change on passing corner.
Passes in the
or ball pass in the corner.
Passing standard.
Yes.
So to say penetration.
They are interested in here. What's a progressive passes ankasa? 40 percentile no volume of progressive passes or ball in the game. 1.35 as a match piano passes or time mark enim no 1.35 but progressive passes received no and then
he makes himself available in spaces to get the ball
position in the movement into baby or movie konojina park and so ma easy so we midfielder or pass the ball in the match
on running to test right defenders I will be now ball
exactly
that's only confidence
he shows himself for ball
na yo or more Roma ho no nya bi mo but then Oba Black Stars no wa bo match say wa she go say
Majatum
hwehwe sang
yeah
Oba yen so shebi me boa
o she
Cremonese ni onkobo
me I think you hear your coaching
exactly
what's at the stage now we drew no ball na still osua achede wo ho ohun say potential bi wonu mu a obeye good footballer but entity no obenya no entity no de free ana de wo park so na training grounds coach ne beye na femu de obetre onyoma ba ku mienu ne miensa ye be fa ne say cc de Italy de ne na fa ne sa because of omo de ne call intinani aka Italy ho wate kasa no omunua ne we hu amonye nyanamfo kra oni omone na nam kwa hwehwe match sa ne ba se coach ni be kɔ ne ho no be kire na ade poten se we na mehwehwe no me yo say adwuma na mo no apa no because Mourinho so ne botaye kese ne se ono so de Roma betu mpempen so for frenti o hye de nya attention man koda no I hope so what you say
Accra we 2020 2019 2020 no breakumo
yeah
no Brikum Presek. Then he friend Pogba. Afenajan, he friend Pogba.
Striker ne friend Pogba.
Sometimes on that omo ball mu inter schools we na. Me haircut na no twa. And on the stature na say konfo hu ni say na you.
Na ka nanim kudia na cry.
And no na na man no the friend is Accra we. Ambo I don't second division ground.
David Ghana how ambo full season and a year abrochi okra no ambo a first full season. Say ya started August akowie May so wa bofo ne de si e be fe mu ne ma no.
Yo baby I mean who na no bono was. Brikum Prese come school team no. And na kuku dance former Bichi United
yeah.
No academy ne friend anyinam Sugata.
Okay.
Hono na me hu sa Accra we. No boy didi ma inter school no bo zona we no sunyane a ata legacy mu no mo de ko ya okoko Roma okoye wandi be ye yukra o the U side o mo inviting for the senior side o jam ko ya o sha se no de ne bobo
e coaching entity no se o mo benya abotre dia man o mo ni be ko ne ho na Cremonese na wakoto no won se sika o mutu ya na for mo ento o mo so ni be ko no because o nim so o mo polish no ye good a omo beton wanyiska ana de na mechanic coach no wase match o Massimiliano Alvini oye coach a one mmofra na ye adwuma because ono waye adwuma na wo lower tier sites no enti lower tier sites no mostly omunya players on loan ana omunya nkoda ana omo mabo mo bo na wie omo mabo awie na omo ya retire de omo ni hye dem kom but loan players no ye do loans na be ya obebo no develop into coach na ni be kon ana young players no so afei na also coach na ni be kon ho say you be polish wa obetimi aton na club na nyeska and I think he's at the right place and he will be under the right coach so man ni bre no nya botre football no a moment and you learn to seize the moment. I think saying yet them farm afina.
Mate, mamre na me fa callers in a kakra. Bishop,
the woman fine decision na ya pass verdict no Juliet o hwe show ni me chow ni mami. And yeah, Juliet me chow pa. So wow here because obi akra me kancho oni o utania. Juliet afena jan ni mami. Hiri baba no afi kra na also otum. Look,
always said
yes.
He's not about right. Yes.
Look, Akrano baby I would do CCR.
It's the most important.
Juliet say be
it's the most important.
The old bayen Juliet and Befa.
It's the most important.
So now call it down first no crown now upon 1 year and then go the half hour and so. Now I join mock parents said the and some of Pentecost now come. Bompay be baby to say Bompay be because look, this boy is at a very critical stage of his life.
Very
critical stage. If he messes it up,
that's it.
He's done.
Are you the mother?
Look,
so you are done.
My investing 9 million euros will move. World Cup. Look, he has the perfect opportunity to play. Yenka so on goals, or they are match sharp, gain experience at the highest level, and in this year.
But ya Matthew, we are no bishia. Na mama hwe men kona men kofa college ne kakra na.
This is very key. Messi, Ronaldo, Kylian Mbappe, man, Dembele. I don't know. Have you sat down to ask? I don't know. Mamino mostly is the mother.
Spiritual money.
Yeah.
Mate wa me ne mu beshia wi ano na ye di nkomo kakra na ye we ya ti mama hwe na me nko
the boyfriend kwesi apia connecting on the half hour
and I was kwesi I was baby kwesi apia wo bia no na wo
I want to connect my boyfriend kwesi apia
na wo hwehwe no pa 0551931931 0551931931 na 0548931931 me na me phobia me pacho odiane baby a okasafi.
Hello, yeah, friend Prince Kasafi Sinyane.
Prince meet you.
Me pacho me commendi mu full na mo ye djuma pa mo nko so tapuku e chiao akome aso me chiao mo made ya da mase
Matthias you that me pacho odiane baby a okasafi.
If I Andrew me Kasafi